Lisa Margonelli, Underbug, An Obsessive Tale of Termites and Technology. Welcome to the fascinating world of termites and technology. In Underbug, An Obsessive Tale of Termites and Technology by Lisa Margonelli, we delve deep into the extraordinary lives of these mysterious insects. Despite their notorious reputation as agents of destruction, termites hold the potential to unlock new possibilities in biofuel production and robotics. This summary highlights the evolution of termites, their complex social structures, and the ways in which their unique capabilities can inspire human innovation. By exploring the captivating stories of termite mounds that have inspired scientists for centuries, prepare to embark on an insightful adventure into the realm of termites and their potential impact on our future.
The Secret Lives of Termites. Despite being despised as pests, termites' ability to digest wood and communicate with each other has allowed them to thrive for millions of years in vast numbers across the globe. Termites have gained a notorious reputation for being pesky insects that cause billions of dollars in property damage each year. In fact, almost half of scientific papers about termites are about how to exterminate them. But what makes termites so despised by humans is their love for wood, a resource highly valued by humans. They can even eat through bricks, electrical poles, and even money. However, their ability to digest wood and communicate with each other also explains why these insects have managed to thrive for millions of years in vast numbers across the globe. Despite their humble origins as solitary scavengers related to cockroaches, early termites evolved to have microbes in their guts that allowed them to digest wood. But every time they molted, they lost those microbes. To preserve these valuable digestive microbes, termites developed the habit of exchanging a wood shake of feces, microbes, and wood chips from mouth to mouth and mouth to anus. This helped these formerly solitary creatures become intensely social and refined over millions of years. This evolutionary breakthrough allowed termites to migrate across oceans in hollow tree trunks and adapt to various climates. Today, over 3,000 species of termites are scattered across the globe, living in a belt that stretches around the Earth's equator and halfway to the North and South poles. While they may cause significant damage, understanding their evolution and unique abilities can help us appreciate their important role in the ecosystem and possibly find ways to better coexist with these fascinating insects. The Human Mirror of Social Insects. The original book summary delves into how people viewed termites and other social insects and ascribed human-like qualities or political structures to them. The first scientists who studied insects through the lens of human societies and structures saw rigid hierarchies with kings, aristocrats, laborers, and soldiers, with male rule prevailing until 1670s when they discovered the truth about supposed kings. In the 19th century, social insects were used to justify everything from racism to anarchism. The metaphor of social insects was once again updated in the 1970s, likening them to assembly line workers and then to neurons firing through the human brain. The American biologist Deborah Gordon cautioned against using unhelpful analogies that hid the fundamental dissimilarities between humans and insects while replacing one metaphor with another. The evolutionary puzzle of eusocial termites. Termites are eusocial insects with a collective child-rearing and a division of labor between fertile and non-fertile castes. The queen and king attend to breeding while non-fertile termites become workers or soldiers. This poses a conundrum in terms of natural selection as only the queen and king contribute to gene propagation. There are two theories to explain how this works, the superorganism theory and the inclusive fitness theory. The former sees the colony as one individual that reproduces through altruistic behavior, while the latter posits that altruism makes sense when organisms sacrifice themselves for genetically similar ones. Termite scientists are now revisiting the idea of the superorganism theory. The surreal world of termite mounds. Termite mounds are more than just buildings. They behave like organic bodies, with a complex network of tunnels and chambers leading to a subterranean complex. Termite mounds have their own lungs, which regulate oxygen levels, and even their own stomachs. Scientists hypothesize that termites use a cement pheromone to guide mound construction, and some suggest that the mound is a composite animal with an external structure like a skin and tunnels forming an immune system. While these theories aren't widely accepted, they point to the idea that termites are part of a living organism capable of its own kind of thought. Termites and fungi, a symbiotic relationship. African termites of the Macrotermes genus have mastered the art of building mounds that incline at exactly 19 degrees from north, providing ample sunshine for their fungi gardens. Through a 30-million-year-old relationship with Termitomyces fungi, termites outsource digestion of complex plant material to this fungus for energy and sustenance. This ends up being an arrangement with mutual benefits, but it's still unclear whether the termites or fungi are in control. As efficient and effective as this symbiotic relationship is, it is still under research to understand the depth of energy and resilience it provides to both parties. Termites are key to an energy revolution. Termites could hold the key to producing biofuels and revolutionizing our societies. The microbes in their guts allow them to convert wood and plant matter into energy, and figuring out how could lead to the production of 100 billion gallons of biofuel, reducing vehicular emissions by 86%. Metagenomics allowed scientists to sequence the genes of entire microbial communities, identifying over 1,000 genes responsible for digesting wood. However, developing a viable and affordable biofuel remains a challenge. To overcome this hurdle, scientists need to understand how the microbes in termite guts work and mimic their processes. Until then, the potential of termites to transform our world remains untapped. Swarm intelligence in termites and robots. Termites and robots demonstrate that collective intelligence can accomplish complex tasks without central command, thanks to swarm intelligence. Scientists believe that termites deposit cement pheromones on their mud balls that create complex behavior, a template that roboticists are eager to replicate. Radhika Nagpal and her team at Harvard University's Weiss Institute for Biologically Inspired Engineering have created robots with termite-like behavior, called terms, to demonstrate how robots might work together to perform complex tasks. The future of robotics may include hundreds or thousands of dumb machines working together to achieve a common goal.
As we conclude our exploration of Underbug, an obsessive tale of termites and technology, we come away with a deeper understanding of the termites' extraordinary complexity and potential for furthering human technology. From their advanced social structures and their ability to digest wood, to their intricate mounds that resemble living organisms, termites have much to teach us. By studying their mysterious world, we may discover biofuel solutions and even shape the future of robotics powered by swarm intelligence. As you step away from this summary, let your newfound knowledge of termites challenge previous misconceptions and encourage imaginative possibilities for the advancement of human ingenuity.